Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect Roblox to a Discord mobile. So first of all, open up the Discord app and click on New at the bottom right corner, and you're gonna click on the settings at the top right. And basically you're gonna see right here the authorized apps, and you're gonna be able right here to see the connections, right? Click on it and you're gonna be able to add the connections at the top right. There is multiple apps and websites that that's been linked, to Discord and can connect it with. So we're gonna see if if Roblox is one of them by clicking add right here, and you're gonna see right here there is no Roblox appearing to you. That means that unfortunately for now, Discord does not support Roblox, and or that they don't have cooperation. So unfortunately for now it is not possible, but we will let you know in the future if there is any update coming. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.